Oh yeah, which one should I get, man? Coffee is about $3. Should I get without sugar? Not 3-in-1. But if I were to get this, $8. Nescafe Go, about $8. Sorry. Yeah, which one should I get? Ah, this one. Hey. 20. Oh yeah, this one 20. This is the one. Sorry. 20. Okay, $5 plus. Oh yeah, this is the one. Let's grab another 20 first. Get 20 more of this. Okay. Let's go. Where can I find calories? Can you see here? Prawn crackers. Sorry, can you hear? Where can I find like the Calbee snacks, prawn crackers and all that?
What?
Prawn crackers.
Oh, where?
Yeah, prawn crackers.
Huh?
Like Calbee prawn crackers. Snacks.
Snack?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Snack. Only here.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Ooh. Mixed nuts. Meat. Camel. Tong garlic. Thumbs up. Which one should I do? Tong garlic? Wait. Oh, Tong garlic salted peanuts. $3 plus. A bit more expensive. $3 plus. Eh? Okay, some price is good. Oh, this one also $3 plus.